beautiful day. What is that behind me? Workbook!
I can help you.
Where did that hand go? Oh, in my can.
Hello everybody, these are pages 12 and 13 in the Let's Go 1 workbook, and this is the Let's Learn section of Unit 2. Part A right here just says unscramble, so get it unmixed, match, and color. Ooh, we get to color. All right, let's start. First up, here are all the colors over here from the student book, so let's remember them quickly.
Yellow, blue, red, green, purple, orange, brown, pink, black, white.
Okay, now it says unscramble because the letters of the color are mixed up. So the first one here they did for us, blaaaack is supposed to be black. So let's trace black. Bl is BL, then A, then K. At the end of a word is usually CK, black. And here is black, so we'll draw a line. And we're gonna do the coloring part after we write everything. Number 2 says regano. And what do you think? Could regano be yellow? No, no W. Could it be brown? No, no W. Could it be green? G-R-E. Only one E. Can't be green, so it must be orange. So let's write orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. And this is orange. Okay, we know black and orange are done. Number 3 says energ. Energ. Could it be yellow? No, there's no Y. Could it be brown? No, there isn't any B. Could it be green? G-R-E-E. Yes, it could. It's green. So let's write green. G-R-E-E-N. Draw a line to green. Okay, 3 of them are done. Number 4 says yelllllowwww. Yelllowwww. Well, that is not a color. Do you think yelllowwww should be yellow or should it be brown? Yellow. There's the Y. Let's write yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Draw a line to yellow. And the last one is warbn, and that must be brown. Let's write brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Draw a line to brown. Let's color. All right, the first one is yellow. Number 2 is brown. Number 3 is black. I hope this is black. Hooray! I thought it might have been purple. This one is green. And this one is orange. Beautiful. And part A is done. Okay, this is part B, and it says look and write. And we're just gonna make sentences about the different colors. And in our books, we made the sentences just by saying it's, it is, and colors are one thing, so we can say it. And then I can't count colors, so we won't put any in front of it, or any and, just it's, and then the color. It's pink, it's purple, it's blue, just like that. All right, the first one is pink, so we're gonna trace. It's, I-T, apostrophe S, pink, P-I-N-K. It's pink. And number 2, this is purple, and I already have the apostrophe S from helping a student here in my book, so I'll just add it. I-T apostrophe S. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Okay. Number 3, I've got blue. Let's say it's blue. I-T apostrophe S and then blue. B-L-U-E. It's blue. Number 4 is red. So we'll write it's red. I-T apostrophe S. Red. R-E-D. It's red. And part B is done. Okay, this is part C, and it says read, circle, and color. We got a little key here. B is brown, P is purple, O is orange, G is green, R is red, and Y is yellow. And the question pattern looked like this in our books. All right, let's do it. Okay, I got my crayons ready to go. Let's do the circling part first though. What color is this? It's red. All right. What color is this? It's yellow or it's brown. There's Y, so it's yellow. What color is this? It's green. It's purple. It's purple. What color is this? It's green. It's orange. It's green. What color is this? It's red. It's brown. It's brown. What color is this? It's purple. It's orange. It's orange. Now it's time to color. The first one was it's red. So here's my red. I think we're supposed to color this part. Okay. Number 2 was it's yellow. So here's yellow. Number 3, it's purple. So here is purple. Number 4, it's green. Number 5, it's brown. Number 6, it's orange. Okay, and part C is done. Looks colorful and beautiful. All right, this is part D, and it says trace, write, and color. Okay, so we have the full question and answer, just like this from our books. Let's do it. Number 1, what color is this? It's pink. Okay, so trace what? Big W-H-A-T, space color, C-O-L-O-R, space I-S, space this, T-H-I-S. What color is this? It's big I-T apostrophe S, space pink, P-I-N-K. It's pink. Number 2, what color is this? What, big W-H-A-T, color, C-O-L-O-R, space is I-S, space this, T-H-I-S. It's brown. So there's it's I-T apostrophe S, space brown, B-R-O-W-N. All right, number 3, what color is this? You got what, W-H-A-T, then color, C-O-L-O-R, space is, space this, T-H-I-S. We're going to write it's, I-T apostrophe S, blue, B-L-U-E. Okay, we're done writing. Let's color. The first one is pink, so I need a pink colored pencil, and I'm just going to color in the color name. There we go, pink is done. Number 2 is brown, so I need a brown colored pencil. There it is. It's colored in brown. Number 3 is blue, so I need the blue one. It's up here. And let's color in the blue. All done. Good job, everybody.